welcome back to Mark's Railway Trails. I'm just got on the train at Lee Green. We're going to go down the George Stephenson line all the way into Manchester, and I'll show you the 9 arches as we go over it, and I'll keep it running until we get into Manchester, so you can see the full run. But not much commentary today, just a train journey into Manchester. And like I say, St Nick's Church at Sutton in the background. We're just leaving Sutton in St Helens, and we're going posh today. We're in the first class seats, so enjoying these priority seats.
This is a Transpennine Express service to Hull, calling at Manchester Victoria, Staley Bridge, Huddersfield, Leeds, Selby, Brough and Hull. The next stop will be Manchester Victoria.
There we go, picking up speed now on the Transpennine Express, coming out of St Helens on the way to Manchester Victoria. Just going through the junction in St Helens quickly. You don't have to see much of it. We're just leaving Sutton now. I'll try and get you a shot of the 9 arches as we go over as well. Well, we're just going through the back end, lead on to Bold Station, Catch Moss. That's a lovely walk, just behind Bold. I've done that on Mark's Railway Trails if you want to see it. And we should be coming up to Newton Willows shortly. We're in Gilles Green now. Yeah, I've just gone through Gilles Green now, so we're heading towards Newton Willows, this historic town of Newton Willows, which has got one of the oldest stations. And here we go, we're going over the 9 arches now, just here. This is the 9 arches to the farms below. There we go, this is the 9 arches we're just going over. You can see it below, you can see the little canal, and there's straight out of it. And on our way to Manchester on George Stephenson's 1830 line. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be on first class actually, but I've just got on the Transpennine train and I've just come through here, so there's nobody else on it, as you can see. Really no mates. But I'll take first class today. And we're going seeing the court managers today, all my ex-court manager friends, so should be good in Manchester. Getting there early, going to have a bit of a scoot round. But I thought I'd just get this quick video on the way in. Just leaving Newton Willows now. Come through Earlstown, just leaving Newton Willows. There's the High Street on Newton Willows. That's Newton Station. New station as well, like they're doing at Lee Green in St Helens. And it'll start picking speed up now once it gets out of Newton. It tended to pick up speed. There you go, that's the branch line that came off that leads to the triangular station at Newton Willows, because there's 2 lines kind of go from Newton. You can get the line straight through to Manchester, or if you go on the other side of the platform on the triangular station at Newton, in Earlstown, sorry, it leads to Wales and that way. And it's only one of 2 stations in this country. It's a triangular station. I think the other one's up in Scotland, and the other one is in Earlstown. And Earlstown has got one of the oldest station buildings on its platform from the George Stephenson days. Now just on the right here, I'll try and shoot across. Maybe you can see it. I want to be on this side. When we go through Newton, you'll see the memorial to the fatality on the George Stephenson line. I'll keep it running and see if I can see it under another bridge. We may have passed it actually, I may have just missed it, but I'll keep it running because this cutting looks familiar. As soon as I see it, I'll try and shout out, but I think we've passed it actually. Yeah, I think we've just missed that, but there's actually a memorial there for the accident that happened on that great day in 1830 down the George Stephenson line. We've just missed it actually. Train goes that quick, but that's just as you come out of Newton Llewellows, just past the High Street. You would see it if you want to find it, and I've done that again on Berks Railway Trails. So. It's just ambling this train at the moment, it's just ambling into Manchester. That George Stephenson set up all those years ago, and he said he couldn't do it, especially going over Catchmoss near Manchester, because it's still there, Catchmoss, it's bogland, and you can imagine it in 1830, it was really bad. Just to show you how bad it is, if you walk across it, you probably sink to your waist, and everybody said that George Stephenson wouldn't get over it, but he did, he got over it. And created the 1830 line when nobody said he would. What a feat of engineering that guy did. Anyway, I'm going to sit back and just enjoy the journey now and just let you watch the train run into Manchester Victoria, and I'm just going to chill today, so see you a bit later on. On the transpennine express today. It's really good because I think the stop from Lee Green, it's straight into Manchester. Just going to Ashley now, straight into Manchester without any stops, and it's ambling, to be honest with you. It's just ambling along. Bogland over there. This is what this line's built on. As we go through Catchmoss, it's bogland. You can just see it then on the right hand side. The trees are hiding it now, but all behind there is bogland at Catchmoss. first class travel today on the Transpennine Express, and really comfy, these seats, really comfy, all leather, all dead tidy. Like I said, I'm not sure if we're supposed to be in here, but it's nice and quiet. About 10-11 minutes in from Lee Green, so it'll give you an idea how long it takes from Lee Green to Manchester Victoria. Before people ask what's the memorial just outside Newton Willows, it's for Hutchinson, who actually got killed on the day on 1830 when he got hit by the rocket, and that's on the right hand side at the line that I'm on now, that takes you coming out of just Newton Willows. He wasn't quick enough to get it, but that's where it is if you ever want to go and see it. Ambling in there to Manchester. Just going through Partycroft. Again, Transpennine Express doesn't stop. One stop, Lee Green. Next stop, Victoria Station. Famous landmark, you'll see it as we're going past. You can just see a lot of churches in Manchester, and when I was a young lad, if we ever came to Manchester, my dad always took us to Manchester Cathedral. Just going through Charlie Collins Country now at Eccles in Manchester. Signal building still there as well. How good are these seats? Really good. Flick over again. Tell you what, going seeing all my ex-court managers, friends, this motorway, I was up and down it when I was a court manager, and I don't miss them days for sure, stuck in traffic. Just going under the tunnel. It's just ambling its way into Manchester Victoria. And if you want to see where this line ended up on the 1830 line with George Stephenson, I've done that on Marks Railway Trails. and you'll find George Stevenson's bridge. That's on my YouTube channel, so check that out as well. It's quite an interesting day in Manchester now. Manchester now, if you can see it, all these skyscrapers, there's just everything's been built up. You can just see all the apartments. Unbelievable how Manchester's changed, and that's why I always get the train, to be honest, into Manchester now, because it's changed so much when you're driving. It's, you know, it's a one-way nightmare. But just look how much is going on in Manchester at the moment. And there we go. As we come in, we kind of swing round and just look at some of the old bridges there as well. That's absolutely fantastic. And the locks. Zoom down on the locks, can you see them? Brilliant. And they all window the way through Manchester. But just look at the archwork on that. Absolutely brilliant. One of the churches all being scaffolded up. Obviously regeneration as well. And there we go, we're slowing down now as we're coming into Manchester. Salford Central. Bridges, and just look how they weave around the railway lines, and some of these old wrought iron bridges, brilliant. And
we'll shortly be arriving at Manchester Victoria.
how quick's that? 17 minutes.
Take a moment to check you have everything with you. Don't forget any bags or cases in the luggage racks or under seats, and retain your tickets as they may be required if exiting this station.
Oh, how quick was that into Manchester Victoria?
On the Metrolink network.
Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, enjoyed the first class service. Like I said, didn't think I was supposed to be in here, but I've kind of sneaked in. And thank you for travelling with the transpennine express. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to cut off here now because we're going to be getting off. I might keep it running till we get near the station, get in the station, to be honest with you. Why not? We're not look like we're getting off yet, so. And railway walks, whenever you do them, you always find Budleia, and that's what we've got here. Loads of Budleia. When we did Oldham Mumps tunnels, the old tunnels, you'll see Budleia everywhere. It's absolutely unbelievable. So I'm just going to pause it here till we get off, and I'll start it up again. Whoop. Just get off the station now and just get you a shot. This is the train that we came on, the Transpennine Express. Driver there in the front. Going to go all the way down. See if we can get a. That's the train. Single drivers now, and that's on its way to Hull now on the Transpennine Express. But how good's that journey? Unbelievable. And this will not be hanging around here long, I wouldn't have thought. But yeah, first class seats there, so take that. It's just hanging on for the last few passengers. I'm not going to wait to let it go. I'll just get you a shot in Manchester Victoria station as we walk up. So see if we can get a driver off the There he goes. He's getting ready to go now, so no lady driver today. I just pause this until we get into the actual station. And there he goes. Off he goes. Not get the lady on. Oh, sorry, look. How many carriages on that? There it is. Never checked my ticket. There it flies. That'll fly to Hull now. And we've got a bit of a freight train behind it as well. It's on a red light. And we've just got a freight train behind it now. How long is that going all the way back? But I'm going to cut off and head out of Manchester Victoria Station. I'll show you the station. I'm just going to take you through now and just show you where you come off at the actual station. And it's just showing I love Manchester Victoria. And there's lots of lifts here now as well. No entry on this side because all the passengers come up this side. But we'll take it down and just see. Get a shot of that. Sorry, my love. You just see it going out. That's all the freight. Leaving it. Get a lower shot as well. Just look how many wagons is on that. There it goes. Over 40 wagons on that as well, which is absolutely brilliant. But again, it's all been regenerated. Manchester Victoria. I'll just show you all the new ceilings they had put in. I'm going to finish off as we go through, get my ticket out, and just as you go through here, everybody remember this, the beer house and beer kitchen. Now I'm going to go in there and get myself a pint before an afternoon and night in Manchester. So see you later on Mark's Railway Trails.